What's up, online shoppers? I have a new teeth whitening pen by MySmile and I want to give it a try. Now, I drink a lot of coffee and that tends to lead to really stubborn stains, especially on my lower teeth, which thankfully you can't really see all that often. So I was looking for something that was going to help me keep my teeth a little bit whiter, and I came across this cool company. Now, this is the tooth whitening pen, so you don't have to worry about any messy strips or any gooey gels. All you have to do is just use this. Each package comes with 2 of these little pens right here, and they operate really easy. All you have to do is just pull the lid off. Inside of the pen is the carbamide peroxide gel in a glycerin format, and that's what you use to do the teeth whitening. With this great little applicator, it's super easy to apply to each tooth, and you can really concentrate it in the areas that you want it to have an impact. What's really nice about these MySmile tooth whitening pens is that you don't need messy strips, you don't need something that you stick in your mouth, you don't have to worry about goopy gel afterwards. It's really easy and neat to apply this. As well, this isn't a big time commitment. It's only 30 seconds on each area that you have applied the gel, and then you're done your treatment. This is actually a really great option to, instead of going into the dentist's office to get this done. So in order to get the pen to work, first thing you do is obviously you take off the top. Now, there's a little brush applicator right here, and it's really nice and fine. And on the other end here is a twist cap, and all you have to do is twist it. And what that does is puts pressure on the gel that's inside the MySmile pen, and I can actually start seeing the gel coming down. It's gonna take quite a few cranks at first, and then all of a sudden the gel is gonna be right where you need it to be. Now, I have a little mirror down here, so I'm just gonna do an application really quick and see how it feels. And it has to sit on the surface for like 30 seconds. Well, I'm back, and I am super impressed. Now, I have had this stain that's been hanging out on my teeth for a while. I drink a lot of coffee, and I also like red wine, and it tends to stain it right here. And it has made a noticeable difference with one application. So I'm definitely gonna go back and use this. Now, according to the back of the box, you can use this up to 2 times a day. Apply it on your teeth, leave it on for at least 30 seconds, then rinse out your mouth. They say that when you are done with it, just pull all the excess off with your fingers, and then make sure that you've got this lid snapped on nice and tight, because it's gonna prevent the gel inside from drying out. The second thing that they recommend is that you avoid eating or drinking for the next hour to allow everything to just settle and seal in your mouth. So I will definitely be doing this again. I'm impressed. This was my unboxing and first impressions. The MySmile teeth whitening pen is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.